Hey guys, Game here. Today I am going to show you how to make onigiri, or Japanese rice balls. I bought this one in a store called Tokyo Hands. It helps you make cat-shaped rice balls. I've never used it before, so I thought I could take this opportunity to use it, which is why I'm doing this video. And it was about 900 yen, so it was about $9.50 in Tokyo Hands, and so I thought I'd try it. This over here is, in Japan, in bentos they have foil wraps to put your food in there, or tsukemono stuff in it, but they made this one out of seaweed, so it's an entirely edible wrap. So I thought it'd be really good to use to make a bento out of it too. So it comes with paper wraps as well for the tsukemonos, so that you don't have to eat everything. This one I also got at Tokyo Hands, and it was about 500 yen-ish, I think. There's no price written on this, but it was somewhere around there, so it was like $5.50. It might have actually been 300 yen, come to think about it, but it's around that range. I also have these bento boxes that I got that I'm going to fill up with my bento, and so I've got tons of room in these. So yeah, so it comes with these two cutters. This one is written with nori, which is a Japanese type of seaweed, and it's got little teeth on there to help you cut it, so you can cut faces out of the seaweed. And here it is also written nori, so those are for the whiskers, and you can cut out nori from there. And then the cat paws, where you cut out from nori, and this says cheese and ham. So the ones without the teeth edges are ones where you can cut faces out of cheese and ham, and it's the cat and then the fish, and they're smooth edges. Yeah, so this is what it's going to help you cut things out, and then after that it comes with this little head shaper, I don't know how to call it, but yeah, it's just you put the rice in there, and then you take this piece and then you press the rice down with it, and then it makes it into the compact cat face. And yeah, so let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to make a rice ball out of this tool, and we'll see how this one goes. 最初のおにぎりできました。じゃあここからカッターを使います。海苔で猫の顔を切り取ります。The seaweed in particular is called nori, and it's used to make sushi. You put rice into it and you roll it up, and then you cut it into slices. So I'll be using this. Difficult time cutting the faces out on the seaweed for some reason, so I just ended up starting like pressing down on the bristles and getting the faces cut out that way, which kind of hurt my fingers. バッグに入れます。次はハムでお魚を切り取ります。またたっくあんも使います。これで弁当は完成です。ハム使って本当に肉球見えますね。これもあります。ボロボロになっていましたけど。あとこれもあります。After I finished, but the silicone sheet was actually for cutting the seaweed to make things easier. Since it's a cushiony spot at bottom, it was easier to cut seaweed with, and I wish I used that earlier, but... これで弁当完了です。Oh my god, the bottom one's so messy.